if I want to find the area between these two curves, the first step is to find out where they cross. And also remember these graphs, we're finding the area towards the y-axis because it's f of y. This we found the area towards the x-axis because f of x. Anywho, for this one, we're going to set, to set these equal, I'm going to first distribute this guy and make it 2y minus y squared equals negative y. I'm setting these two equal, but I distributed this one. And from there, what do you get? You move this over. Looks like you have 0 equals y squared minus 3y. Is that right? You add this over, you minus that over, so y squared minus 3y. Look a lot like this problem. Looks very similar. So what's y going to equal? 3 and 0. Deja vu. It has the same interval. So, the interval is from 0 to 3. But don't we have to figure out which one's on top, which one's on bottom? Because we have to find out which is our top, which is our bottom. So what we do is we choose a number between 0 and 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose, let's do f. I like 1 again. F of 1. Well, that's going to be 1 times 2 minus 1, which is 1. And g of 1 is equal to, ooh, that's a tough one, negative 1. So which one's on top? Which one's bigger? F. So my integral is going to be from 0 to 3, and it's going to be f on top, so it's going to be this one, which I'm going to write again as 2y minus y squared minus g. So this is f minus g. Oh, that's not dx. Be very careful. That's dy, because everything's in terms of y. Looks a lot like the last problem. So we now have the integral from 0 to 3, and if we combine all this, looks like we have negative y squared, and this is plus 3y. Does that look right? Is that the same problem? Oh, dy. Okay, my answer is 9 over 2. Why did I know that? Is it the same problem as down here? Does it matter what variable it is? I could put u, I could put my mother's name as a variable. Whatever I want, it would be a variable, and it's going to be the same answer, 9 over 2, so we could jump to the answer.